It brings a tear to my eyes.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I'm with my friends. I was about to say roommates. They're not my roommates. One of them is a roommate.
I thought you were roommates.
Basically roommates. Stevie will be a roommate next year.
I passed out on the couch last night.
I live here enough. So
Honestly, how many nights out of this week have you guys been staying over?
I've been here since Thursday.
I don't know. They basically live here. They're over all the time. We're gonna be filming a baking video. I don't know why. I've been wanting to bake a cake and I figured it'd be fun to just film it and film with my friends. We're gonna be making a rainbow marble cake. So I got a funfetti cake mix because it's fun. And then I got a bunch of food coloring. To do this all the time as a kid with my cousins. Like in the summer, we'd make rainbow cake. So that's what we're doing. I hope I don't mess this up because I haven't done it in so long. What are you guys doing? Also, I have pink hair.
Pink icing, pink hair.
It was a very spur of the moment decision. We were at Target and we were like, let's dye our hair pink. So Megan and Caitlin did theirs also. We all used the same amount, but I don't think it really showed up in their hair. Oh, that's good. No, but yeah, so this will be here for a little bit. But anyways, we're gonna make a cake. So let's do it. What's the first step?
Set the oven at 350.
Stevie and Billy.
Oh my god.
We're gonna make 2 cakes, but then it turned into a competition and we were like, it'll be a fun little friendly competition. Megan's like, I'm gonna crush you!
Okay, I would never.
I was like, we need captains, I'm captain.
And then she was like, I'm gonna pick you, and then left Caitlin as the winkest.
No,
the
she don't need the
link.
weakest link.
Megan picked me and Gus. Gus isn't even here.
I was just trying to pick the strongest team.
Okay, here's the
Caitlin
thing.
doesn't have the speed factor.
So
She's not in it to win it.
To save our friendship, we're making
Exactly. So we decided to do 1 cake because it might be chaos, but it's gonna be more friendly and fun.
Putting everything in there, or do we separate wet and dry?
Aren't you supposed to? You have to whisk
cake mix,
together
water,
the
oil, eggs,
anyways.
bowl with mixture on speedy. Oh, you're supposed
Don't
to
you
do
have
it
to
with the
whisk
mixer.
the eggs
Do you have a
first?
whisk?
You can use a flip
we have an
phone.
electric mixer, don't we?
Whoa, that's cool.
Well, that's what it.
I'll do the oil.
I got the ladder.
Hi Izzy, hi Gus. They're behind the camera. You want to come say hi?
Hello.
That's such a good angle.
Hey Izzy. Oh no! Only a little bit, it's okay.
Only a little bit of vanilla. Thank you,
Then you
Caitlin.
mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds.
Oh, that was it.
Excited.
Yeah, I saw that.
We're gonna look up best friend tag questions.
Oh my god, we're best friends.
Tag questions.
Are we all playing them?
Yeah, so you guys are all gonna play and then I'll see who knows me better. First question, we'll start off with an easy one. What
don't
is
cheat on me.
my middle name? Does spelling count?
Fair.
Well, no, spelling doesn't count because it's a really easy name to spell. Which hospital was I born at? This is also a really easy one. Don't overthink it.
Next question. What's her social security number?
What was the name of my first boyfriend?
I might be wrong, but this is the first boyfriend I remember you having.
Oh, wait, I forgot about my first boyfriend.
Okay, cool. So we're
I
going
will
with
say 1 of 2 answers because I forgot about the real first answer, so.
He's gonna be watching this video.
If you get both, you get an extra point, but I won't you can't look at my answers. If I remember correctly, we basically just split up the batter into bowls and then we dyed each individual bowl a different color. So I got neon food dye. These I don't know if we're gonna be able to mix to make different colors because the other ones come with primary colors. This is just neon. All right, who wants to be in charge of what color? I call pink.
I call purple. And that sucks.
Izzy, come here. You can assist. Izzy just ran to her room.
Finally.
Tea.
Oh, really be like that.
Come assist me with pink. You pour this into the bowls. We need 4. How many colors do we have?
Don't screw
We need
up.
4 bowls.
Don't screw up. Don't screw up.
Why do I feel like there's not enough dye?
Yeah, oh, Stevie. Stevie's about to squirt the whole thing of that.
Wait, is that no?
You really put
Are these even?
Even enough, it doesn't really matter.
You got games on your phone?
These are our final colors. We've got pink, we've got green, we've got orange, and we've got
I feel like mine doesn't
purple.
look like green. I feel like
3 of
you
us.
can literally
I didn't
go
spray
anywhere.
tan. So, I think we're really just gonna go for it out here. I don't really remember how we did this actually. I thought we were gonna make 3 cakes of this one batter.
I don't thought that was it, you.
Why are you using those pans? Because I didn't want to buy one.
$2.
We have cake pans.
Can I go next or should Orange
Yeah.
go next?
But it doesn't matter because they're literally all gonna touch each other.
Pinky.
All right, put in the orange.
Mom, can you come pick me up? I'm scared.
From the pink over to green.
They're gonna all
The green's the uglier color. You know it's Stevie.
I don't know. Do you guys think it'll get like brown on the top though when we bake it?
Yes.
When we first moved in, I was cooking something, and for some reason, I thought it'd be a good idea to put the oven mitt on the stove top to tell people not to touch it because it was still hot, and we burnt a hole through
Hold
the
on.
oven mitt.
We?
I burned a hole through the oven mitt.
Thank you.
But now it adds some character. Anyways, we're gonna put this in the oven. I really hope I don't drop. I don't really want this responsibility.
7.
So while that is cooking, we're gonna finish the question and answer session. So how many questions did I do? 5?
You've done 3.
I've done 3?
10.
Okay, so
10. Go big or go home. We got 30 minutes.
What is my grandmother's name? I've told you guys this a million gazillion times. Think of the name that we call me at Disney. What is my Southern Disney name? Because it's the same as my grandmother's name. What was the color of my room before it was white? It was one really ugly color for a long time, and it was in my first YouTube video.
I know, boy.
And I had a green
Okay,
comforter.
stop giving hints.
What was the first YouTube video that I ever posted? Where did me and my boyfriend Blake hang out every morning?
I don't know.
There's a place every single morning we would hang out at this one place, and it was
I think I
really
know
weird.
this.
Where was my first travel diary? Like, where was that video from?
Out of country.
It was in country, I'll tell you that. What is my favorite restaurant from back at home? There's 2 restaurants that could be it. Question number 10. They don't have to be in order, but name the cousins on my mom's side of the family. I
How
won't
many
count.
are there?
There's, including me, there's 6 on my mom's side. Okay, wait, so I know my brother's not a cousin, but like the group of us is 6. So I guess there's 4 cousins to name, and then there's me and my brother.
Each correct answer is a point.
Hey, what's his name? What's his name? Okay, wait. I think I know her name, but I don't think it's her name.
I don't think I've even heard of 6 cousins.
Think of their names together, because I think a lot of times I'm like, oh, blank and blank are coming down. Oh, ask me the questions because I don't really remember what they were.
What your middle name is?
My middle name was Paige.
Got it.
The hospital, Jupiter Medical Center.
Got it.
What's the third question?
Boyfriend.
My first boyfriend's name is Jonah.
I didn't know that.
Or
The one from
Blake
preschool.
Bowman. What was the 4th question?
Your room color.
My room color was purple.
yeah.
Bright ass purple.
Yes, it was.
I also had like neon green sheets, and then I had zebra throw pillows.
Yeah.
My first YouTube video on this channel was a summer lookbook.
I made summer photos. Does that count?
Yeah, that counts. Me and Blake hung out at the front, like on a bench at an elementary school.
I put bleachers. I put wood.
Not bleachers.
It was very specific. Every morning we met outside of, we sat on the same bench outside of the
I'm
elementary
7%
school I
right now.
volunteered at.
Did bench/BLM school.
Yeah, no, we literally, it was
Do I
like
get
every
the
morning. It was like meet at the bench. So the first travel diary that I ever filmed was in Wisconsin. I would have taken Pigeon Lake or Wisconsin.
I put Lake Wisconsin
Yeah, so it was Pigeon Lake, Wisconsin was the first travel diary.
because I put.
My trifecta of restaurants from back home is Guanabanas, Utiki, or Leftovers / Food Shack.
Okay, we put it in order too.
Guanabanas, Utiki, Food Shack. Yeah. If I had to pick an all-time favorite, I'd probably say Leftovers. Like I have to go to Leftovers
that's
when
what I
I'm home. But I also think of like I really want to go to Utiki, really want to go to Guanabanas. If you guys are ever in Jupiter, Florida, Guanabanas, Utiki, Leftovers, Food Shack, Elena's. Those are your restaurants that you have to go to. What's the next question?
Your cousin.
Cousins.
Okay, my cousins in order. I'm including me and my brother,
Okay.
from youngest to oldest. So it's Ryan, Megan, Kenley, Natalie, Blakely, Lauren.
Yes! Meg, did you get all of them?
Yeah, I got all of them.
What was it? So Megan, Caitlin, Izzy, Stevie.
That makes sense. I didn't hang out with you in high school and I don't live with you yet.
Anyways, we're gonna continue waiting for this to cook. We'll update you guys when it's done. All right, so the cake is done. We're now gonna frost it. We got strawberry frosting and these little sprinkles.
It's like shaving, but different.
We don't know where the design went that we put on it, but it's a rainbow cake. Caitlin's about to be our designated cake decorator. So
She's ready for it.
we're all eating the cake. See, this is why I won Caitlin on our team yesterday, because she's got the art skills. This looks so cute. Look at her go. I really don't know how you get the patience for this. I would not.
There's not that many.
The face of focus.
Determination.
Wait, why does this look so cute?
Megan is just surprised when things turn out well, like when a group is involved. She's like, oh my gosh, like we didn't burn down the apartment.
Because we've
The
done that
fire
before.
I was making dinner
one night. What was I making? Something with a tortilla. I had a tortilla and I put it in the toaster oven. Gus texted us, Caitlin, and said, hey, like I have these tickets for Ed Sheeran. And we got really excited, Caitlin and I, and we ran over to Gus's apartment. Got a call. Caitlin got a phone call. Caitlin got a phone call. That was apparently Megan screaming at her saying that the toaster oven was on fire. And Caitlin was like, ha ha ha, Megan's laughing.
Let me just tell my side of the story. So they run over there, and then I'm just sitting here on the couch, and all of a sudden I hear, and I look over, and her whole toaster oven is on fire. And I was like, oh my god, I didn't know what to do. Our smoke alarm was not going off for whatever reason, but I didn't know what to do. So I was just sitting on the floor crying, or laughing. I was literally having like a mental breakdown. Grace comes out, realizes that we have a fire extinguisher underneath our sink and puts it out. I'm calling Izzy and Caitlin, screaming at them to come back because I didn't know what to do. And they were just laughing at me.
Caitlin told me, she was like, haha, Megan's laughing. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. And so I didn't think anything of it because Caitlin didn't make a big deal out of it.
At the time, which we're not going to talk about. Something happened when they went back to the apartment. And that's the story about how Izzy set our apartment on fire.
We came back and the thing was on fire and the whole apartment was all smoky, and that was my fault, sorry. I love you guys. I love you too.
We're gonna cut this cake now. We're just trying to make a Friends theme song. Caitlin has so much frosting in her hair. So she's in the shower. Didn't do marble like it used to when I was a kid. I feel like it just like all kind of separated into different colors. I don't remember how I did it. I have to ask my cousins. Kenley, Lauren, Natalie, Blakely. Because it always turned out really cool and like marbled and everything. But we try. Anyways, we gotta clean up this kitchen and then get ready to go to Universal. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video.
Oh wait,
I gotta rate the cake. I'd go a solid
8?
Like 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
It tastes good. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment down below if you guys want to see us bake anything else.
And fail.
Anyways, thank you guys so much again for watching. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you all super soon with another new video. Bye! Bye.